Okay guys, inside Premiere Pro I've got two videos, one text layer and one transition, but I want to simplify the timeline a little bit and I want to make all of these files into one layer. So to do this, I'll select all of them, click with the right button of the mouse, go up to Nest, click on it, and this window will show up in front of us. It will ask us if we want to change the name of the sequence, and I don't want to change it, then I'm gonna press on OK. This will turn all these files into one nested file, and let's say that we want to change the text now because we don't like it anymore. So to do this, I'll select the nested layer, click twice on it with the left button of the mouse, and this will automatically open a new sequence with all the original files. Here you can change them or you can replace them with a new one, but I want only to change the text. So I'm gonna select the text layer, click twice and change it to Bahamas. And when we change anything here, this will reflect automatically into the nested layer we have already created earlier. So I'm gonna show you what I mean by saying that. And as you can see now, instead Maldives, we've got Bahamas. And also if you want to copy any of those files, you can do it by select any of them, click with the right button of the mouse, copy, go back to the nested layer, move the cursor to a empty video track, press Ctrl and V. Here like that, you can copy any of the files and place them onto the original sequence. And that's it guys, that's how you can nest and unnest in Adobe Premiere Pro. As you can see, it's super easy and simple. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did so, please hit that like button and subscribe my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.